Hello guys, welcome to KC Official, and in this video we are going to make a fully responsive website which will work in any resolution and in any tab, phone, laptop or a big screen. So let's start making this website. First we will create a new file and we will name it index.html. Then we will start coding into it. We will put an exclamatory sign and all the base code will come. Then we will give it title. I have thought to make a medical website, so I will give it iMedicine. So this is a imaginary website. I have given it name. Then we will create a new folder, CSS. We will name it CSS. So we will put all the CSS file in it. We will create a style.css. I have created this file in the CSS folder, style.css. In this we will code CSS. First I will put this. We will make the padding and margin 0. Okay, now margin 0. So this will create a good looking website. Then we will code further. We will use a website which is getbootstrap.com. I have provided link in the description, you can check it. This is a very good website which provides many bootstrap material. We will go into the introduction section and we will copy the link from the starter template. First we will copy this link, bootstrap css. We will copy and paste in the head here. Okay, then we will copy the second link here and we will paste it in the body. Okay, now in this website we will go into the components. In components we will go into the navbar and we will choose the navbar according to our website which is good looking. So here many navbars are there, so I have chosen this navbar because this has a search option and drop down menu. So I will copy the code and I will came into my Visual Studio Code and paste it. Okay, now I will test the code. Okay, so reload. Okay, our navbar has come. Okay, it is very nice. So we will change the material, like here we will make it dark. It is very light, so we will make it dark. Here, from here it is written light, so we will make it dark, bg dark. And here also we will make it dark, so the text became light. It is opposite. So okay, so it is looking nice. Now I will change the link. Instead of link I will write here store. Okay, in the drop down I will right click here. Okay, so in this I will make doctor section, docto doctors section. In this I will make a patient section. Here I will write buy medicines, and we will check the output. Click here, store, doctor section, patient section, buy medicines. Okay, it is nice. Navbar. Okay, we will change the name. Instead of navbar we will write iMedicines. Okay. So this is disabled. Instead of disable, we will write. So first we will remove the disable property. Then we will write here buy some books or buy books. Okay. So in this video we will create only the home page. In next videos we will create store and doctor section, patient section and other. Then our website will be fully ready. Now I will add more stuff to my web page. So I will go to the website. Here I will add the carousel. Okay. So carousel. In this I will add this type of carousel in which we can write our description, picture description. We will copy this code and paste after the navigation bar. We will leave some lines which will separate that this is a carousel, or we will add the comments. We have both options. Okay. So here our carousel has come, but the images we have don't load the images, so it is not coming. So I will do one thing. I have a very nice idea. I have a link of unsplash.com. This is a very good website. It provides online images. Every time we reload it, changes the images. So we will just write the topic here like doctors, DOORS, doctors, and uh, in the place of nature we will write medicines. Okay, now it is good. So we will copy this link and paste it two times. Okay, done. It will take some time to load because the images are online. Okay. Oh, it come on the whole page. So we will just set the width on height and height of this carousel in the CSS. So we will go into the CSS. So here I will write from this class carousel inner, because image is in this class and every time they have used this class. So we will declare it here. We will just add the dot at the before and we will write image. After it we will set the height and width. First we will set the width. Okay, so width we will set 100%, because width is perfect we have to set height. In the height we will set 90 vh. Let's see how it looks, but first we will declare the CSS file in the head, because we have not declared it yet. So here I will declare it by link. Okay, and its type. Okay, style sheet. Now I will see the output. It is too much long, and now let's see how is this. Okay, very nice. We will add the text later. Now I want to add some cards. In this there are many kinds of cards. So I will choose this type of card because it is looking so good. I will copy its code and then I will leave. First I will leave some space by BR. Okay. Then I will paste this. First we will check the output how it is looking. Okay, so image is not coming. We will just copy this link and paste. I will paste it in the image. Okay, now it looks good, but it is very tall, so I will set its height. But before setting its height I will add more types of card. To add more types of card I will create a new div tag, and inside it I will create a class, and in the class I will write row. I will create a row. In first row there will be three columns in the middle size device, and if the device is very large, there will be the four cards. So it will be like this. So I will paste the row ending row in the last, and I will create the columns like this is our code. So I will copy it, and then I will paste it. So I need two columns in a row, so I will make it two. Okay, so our two cards will come in a row, and in a big device they will come three. So like this we will create it. So I need only one row. After it we will create more things. So I will go into my web page and refresh it. Okay, so it is looking good. All the cards are coming in line, but I need some space between them, and I need also responsive. These two tasks I have to do, and third is to I have to remove this bar which is looking very bad. So I will go into my code into style CSS. First I will see that in which class these images are loaded. These are in card. So I will go in my CSS and I will write dot card, and in that I will set the margin left. In that I will set it 180 pixels. Let's check how it is looking. Okay, so okay, it looks good. It looks good, but I want to remove this bar. So for removing this bar I will create a div tag here. So I will remove right div. In this I will create a class named container fluid. After this I will end this div tag. So I will come in my web page. So I will reload it. Wow, the bar gone from the web page. Now I will make a title here like buy medicines, and I will write some text in it like, and I will put here the price of that medicines. So let's do this. Now I will add the text. I will add some medicines name. Okay, so I don't know, so I will search on the Google. So I have some medicines name. Now I need some description about these medicines. I will search like this. Okay, I will take these lines from here. Let's check. Okay, so for good looking we need only 4 lines, 4 or 3 lines. So we will cut some text and see how it is looking. Okay, so this is looking very nice. So now I will do it for all the cards. I will paste this text, same text in all. and I will change the color of the button also. I will make it $18 and buy, and to this I will make $30 and buy. Okay, so this button I will change the color. Instead of primary I will change it success. Okay, so let's see the output. Okay, it is very looking very nice. Now I will add the title here. So I will go into the Google Fonts. From here I will choose the font which is looking very good. Okay, so I have chosen this font Pacifico, and I will go into the select font, and I have gone to the import. From here I will select this URL, copy this URL, and I will go into the VS Code, and before the heading tag here I will create a link tag, and in it I will create href. In this I will paste the link, and I will close the link tag. Okay, after it I will create a division tag. In this I will create one more division tag, and inside it I will create a p tag in which I will write buy medicines from here, buy medicines from here. And on the second div tag I will create a class name. I will name it text1, and in the first div class I will name it class equals to bg1 background1. Okay, so I will go into the style.css. In this I will declare the classes bg1. In this I will make a background color light gray, and in the text1 class I will write in text1 first I will write font family. In font family we will just copy this and paste here. Okay, now I will increase the font size like 30 pixel, and text align center. Okay, I think this is enough. Okay, so now I will refresh it. Wow. Okay, so now it is working properly. We have a separate section here. I think I have to decrease the space between the carousel. Okay, I will remove these two BR. Let's see how it is looking. Okay, now it is perfect. Now I want a form below these cards. After it I will create the pages in the next video, uh, and below the form there will be a footer. So let's code for that. For form we will go into the bootstrap, get bootstrap.com. In this we have many types of forms. I will choose this type of form, like in which multiple select text area, and we will add more types of things in this from the bootstrap get.com. So I will copy this code, and after this div tag we will paste it. Above this form we will write this type of text. uh, First we will create the form. Okay, It is looking very nice. We will just customize it according to our wish. Now I will add the text above the form. For this I will just copy this div tag and I will change the classes and all. I will change bg2 and text 2, and instead of this I will write please fill the form. Then we will go into the CSS and we will write here bg2 and text 2. Okay. In bg2 we will write background color as usual. In this we will write floral white. In text 2 I will copy this and paste here. Okay. In this font family I will change like Times New Roman or this. Okay, now this is perfect, and before this I will leave some space like 2 br space. Let's see how it is looking. Okay, you can see this color is different from the background color, floral white. Okay, now I will reduce the width of this form. So let's go for this. Okay, so I have some ideas, like we will leave some space here, and instead of this we will only write form. Let's see the output. Okay, so it is perfect. Now to reduce the width of the form we will just write the div tag. In this we will create a class. In the class we will in the class we will write w50 and m auto. It will just set the width for the high resolution devices and small devices both, so the form will be responsive. And in the form tag here, in the form tag we will write the and method both. In the action we will just leave the hash for some time, and in the method we will write post. Okay, so let's check the output. Okay, now it is good. Here we can write email address. Here we can select the number, and here we can select multiple area. Okay, so here I have made some changes, like I have made the border, and I have added the email password, and after each and every inbox I have added a br. So this from this our form is looking very nice. So after it I want to add a header, so for this I will code. After this I will made a footer, not header, footer. Okay, I have created a class footer. In footer I will create a div class. In div class I will create a p tag. Okay, in p tag we will write end copy. End copy creates a copyright sign. You can search more signs on Google. After end copy we will write in small letters like I, um, medicines 2021 private limited. Okay, you can write like this. In div I will give a class, text 3. Okay. In style.css I will write here text 3. I forgot the point. Okay. In text 3 I will write font size. In font size I will 30 pixel. 30 pixel is right. Okay. Now I will write background color. In background color I want to give black. Black is right. And to the text I will give a color white. And I will align it at right. So I will write a float right. Right. Okay. Let's check the code how it is. Okay. It is looking not very nice. So we will reduce the width or size like 16 pixel. Here I will check again. Okay. I will leave some space before this. Here I will write one br. Okay. And instead of float I will write the text align. So the whole div tag remains here. And to the div tag, I will give padding, like padding 20 pixel. Let's see. Okay, it looks nice. We will increase the text size like 26 pixel. Okay, instead of 20 we will give it 10. Okay, so finally our website is ready. See how it is looking. Looking very nice. These are the slides. In this we can add the text according to the images. We can change these images by changing the topics. Like these are the buy medicines from here, form, sign in. And also this website is responsible, like if we can see in tab it will look like this, I medicines, and all the things will come in this. And see, the carousel is working properly. These cards are working properly. If we add 4 cards, like we have code that in small, it will look like 3, and if the big resolution will come, it will look 4. So we can create more rows to look it more good. See, the form is responsive, how it is looking, wow. And the footer is also coming. If you loved watching this video, please subscribe my channel and press the like button, and share this video. I will provide all the links which I have used, like Bootstrap website, W3 schools, Google fonts, and this website link I will also provide in the description. So bye.